My name is Bhupesh Kumar and I am going to present my dashboard. This is my raw data set, and after performing ETL operation on my raw data, this data convert into this form where I include one more column, which is profit column, which help me to analyze my data. Now move forward to next sheet on my data set. This is my analyze sales sheet, in which sheet I created the first table, pivot table, where I calculate the sum of profit by location and visualize by using column chart. Then I created next table, which is sum of tax amount by location and visualize by using column chart. Then after I'm creating another pivot table, which is sum of profit by stock category and visualize by using pie chart. Then next I'm creating another pivot table, which is sum of profit by stock and visualize by using pie chart. Then next I'm creating another pivot table, which is sum of text amount by stock category and visualizing by using column chart. Then after I'm creating another pivot table, which is sum of text amount by stock and visualizing by using column chart. Then after I created another pivot table, which is sum of profit by month here and visualizing by using trade line chart. Then after I creating another pivot table, which includes sum of purchase cost, sum of selling price and sum of items quantity by location and visualizing by using column chart. Then after I creating one more pivot table, which includes column like sum of selling price, sum of item quantity and sum of item amount by stock category and visualizing by using pie chart. Then similarly I created another pivot table, which include columns like sum of item quantity, sum of item amount and count of invoice number by stock. Now I am move forward to my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Now we are talk one by one about every chart. First I talking about the this first chart, sum of profit by location. Here I calculate or visualize our profit according to location, and we can see that in Bangalore location there are more profit, right? Then after in second chart I saw sum of tax amount by location, and here we can see that according to location, in two location Bangalore and Chennai, more tax amount are paid. Then in next chart we saw sum of profit by stock category. Here I visualize profit according to stock category, and we can see that the more profit arise in casual wear. Then next chart we have sum of profit by according to stock, and then next chart visualizing sum of amount by according to stock category. Then next in next chart sum of text amount by stock. In this chart we can see that the more tax amount pay in Jeans Levis stock. The next chart sum of profit by month. Here we can see that in March month the profit are high, but we can see that in month of June and July our profit are very low. In next chart, I'm next chart visualize that sum of purchase cost, sum of selling price according to location, and in next chart we can see that selling price, quantity and amount by according to stock category. And similarly we can see here that selling price and quantity and amount according to stock. Here I have a slicer. By using this slicer we can visualize our chart in so our chart in different form. Like if I click if I want to see data in March month, then I click on March, and now we see that according to month of March our chart will be changed. Then if I want to see data according to order, there is two mode of order, on shop and online order. If I want to see chart according to order, then online order, then I have to click on online order, and see our chart will be changed according to online order. Then if I want to see our chart or our data according to stock category, if I want to see a formal category, then I click on formal category, and now we can see our chart change according to our category. Then if I want to see location wise chart or location wise data, then click on any location. If I want to see Bangalore location, then I click on Bangalore, and now here we can see that profit according to Bangalore location, tax amount pay according to Bangalore location. Then similarly if I want to Chennai location, then we can see that according to Chennai locations. Then similarly if you want to see data according to 2019 or 2020, then we can see data according to 2019 and 20. Then if I want to see data according to our stock, like if I want to see data like see our chart according to t-shirt stock, then you can say that according to our stock our chart will be changed. Now move forward to final report and final conclusion and final analysis of our dashboard. Here at first we see the conclusion according to profit analysis. Profit analysis by location. Bangalore leads in profitability with a profit of 0.26 million, closely followed by the Chennai and Hyderabad. According to by stock category, the formal category generates the highest profit, which is 0.39 million, and casual wear comes the second with a profit which is 0.20 million, with accessories and semi-formal contribute marginally at 0.08 million and 0.07 million respectively. If I talk about talk according to by stock, profit are fairly distributed among individual stock item which stand performance, including jeans Levi's, which is 0.13 million, and jeans Zara, which is 0.13 million. Item like chain and wallet have the lowest profit at 0.04 million. Then after, if you are talking according to tax analysis by location, according to location, the Bangalore location and Chennai has the highest tax contribution, which is 70.73k, followed by Hyderabad location at 66.16 thousand. According to stock category, the casual wear category has the highest tax contribution, which is 0.13 million, followed by formal at 0.04 million. Accessories and semi-formal contribute negligible, like which is 0.01 million and 0.02 million respectively. If we are talking about monthly trade, the profit spike in April reached 0.20 million, which is might be due to seasonal sales or promotions. Lowest profit month include January, which is 0.01 million, and July, which is 0.01 million. Indicate possible dips in consumer demands during these periods. Selling and purchase insight. Bangalore dominates in total sales and purchase cost, which is purchase cost of 1.36 million and selling price of 1.50 million. Chennai and Hyderabad follow with nearly equivalent purchase and selling cost. Detailed stock insights. According to details, if you're talking about details stock insights, stock items such as jeans Levi's and jeans Zara has the highest profitability and consistent sale across category. The accessories category shows potential for improvement and contribution less profit and tax compared to the category. Key recommendation: focus on Bangalore. Maximum marketing and inventory management in Bangalore. Capitalize on the profitability. Leverage high performance category. Increase focus on the formal and casual wear category, as they are primarily drivers of revenue and profit. If I address low performance item, reduce the stock strategy for item like chain, wallet, and accessories to boost their profitability or replace them with higher demands product. Tax efficiency. Investigate why casual wear contribute the most tax and explore opportunity for tax optimization. Thank you. This is my final report.